सुपर अचीवर्स, आज का क्या टॉपिक है? मैं बहुत सोच के एक टॉपिक ढूंढा एंड इट शुड बी व्हाट आई थॉट इट शुड बी व्हाई स्टूडेंट्स शुड नॉट नो व्हाई स्टूडेंट्स शुड नॉट नो दैट दे कैन अर्न while they are learn. I think many of you may be knowing, some of them those who have known, जिसको पता है they are earning. Because you see now it's open, सोशल मीडिया में आते हैं लोग, those who are 16 years 20 years they are earning money from YouTube. अब देखिए, अगर YouTube खाली आप जाके फिल्म सॉन्ग्स या एंटरटेनमेंट मत देखिए, अदर थिंग्स भी देखिए. ऑलवेज आई एडवाइज डोंट गो फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट, बिकॉज आप अगर एंटरटेनमेंट देख रहे हैं ज़्यादा, देन आपका क्या है, आपका पुअर माइंडसेट है. जो एक्चुअली अदर थिंग्स लर्निंग कर रहा है, ही इज बीटिंग यू. सो आज का जो टॉपिक है, अर्न व्हाइल यू लर्न एंड व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. यू नो, जो चीज़ अभी अगर आप पता कर लेंगे तो आगे आपको रिपेंट नहीं होगा, मतलब आप पछताएंगे नहीं कि नहीं मेरे को पहले से पता करना था, पता नहीं मेरे को कोई नहीं बताया. तो आपको क्या बताएगा? इट इज अवेलेबल. ओनली थिंग इज दैट आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि यस आई हैव टू टेक सम एक्शंस और स्टेप्स. क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि इसमें क्या होगा, जो रियल प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स यू विल डेवलप, लाइक challenges you face during knowing these things and practically doing these things. Resilience, अगर आप फेल होते हैं then how to come up, stand up again. Second है, you improve your resume value because you are putting some skills which others they don't know. And एक क्या होता है, it promotes your what do you say, self learning appetite, want to know more about some things. lot of things you want to know, actually learn, only not bookish knowledge studies these things. अगर आप फेल होते हैं किसी चीज में, उसमें आप फिर उभर के आते हैं, you build confidence and build the networking also. जब आप इस चीज करेंगे, so definitely in social media you start networking, you get knowledge from them, again you learn. It is very important to know the options, the resources available for earn while you learn. बट आज देखेंगे केवल एक ही रिसोर्स, एंड दैट इज फ्रॉम गूगल. गूगल में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है सो दैट आप अर्न कर सकते हैं. यू कैन मोनिटाइज द थिंग्स फ्रॉम गूगल. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग, वेलकम टू माई चैनल @प्रताप हरिचंदन, द बैकेट द सिक्स सेंस PH, जहां हम लोग को सुपर अचीवर्स बनाते हैं. अगर आपको सुपर अचीवर बनना है देन ज्वाइन विथ मी. So, what is super achiever? You find your best career options, overall development to live a purposeful, joyful, and rich life. So, let's dive into the different resources available in Google for earning money. It is a side hustle. तो पहला चीज है Google AdSense. So, this is actually Google is a AdSense account है. वो कैसे होता है? Let's step by step process जाते हैं. पहले क्या करना था आपको? क्रिएट ए ब्लॉग, वेबसाइट और यूट्यूब चैनल. ब्लॉग अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज ब्लॉग. ओके, यू ओपन ए वेबसाइट, ब्लॉग और ए यूट्यूब चैनल. देन क्या करेंगे आप? देन पुट क्वालिटी कंटेंट्स. क्वालिटी कंटेंट्स मतलब जो ट्रेंडिंग आइडियाज होगा, जो गूगल जो यूट्यूब में ट्रेंडिंग है, जिसका व्यू मिलियंस व्यूज है, उसमें सर्च कीजिए and find your interest in that content and put quality contents. Apply for a Google AdSense account. You have to create a Google AdSense account. So जब आपका ट्रैफिक आएगा इसमें, ब्लॉगिंग में या वेबसाइट में, टू सी दोज थिंग्स एंड दे क्लिक, यूट्यूब में भी जो व्यूज बढ़ते जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? द गूगल विल पुट सम एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स, उसमें से यू विल अर्न मनी. गूगल AdSense will start monetize your channel. They will start giving you some money. This is the first one, Google AdSense, from Google AdSense. Second is Google Opinion Rewards. It is not a direct money that you will get. You will get some rewards, and that can be cashback like that. Google Opinion Rewards. So open a or download a Google Opinion and Google Opinion Reward. So after opening that one, you can share your views. Like some products are there, those who are selling in the Google websites, or they are making some websites. So Google जो product है उसमें आप view देंगे, और कहीं पर गए हैं जो visiting places, there you also you put your views, those things, and people look and the business transaction takes place. So you get some rewards, and that rewards you can make it convert it into cash and get some things from Google. Then it is your third one is Google Workspace Consulting. How to earn here? Get certified Google Workspace consultant. It is freely available in Google. Get yourself certified. Then क्या होगा? Workspace मतलब क्या है? Google email account है. उसके बाद you can create like AdSense account. कैसे create करते हैं? For clients, for your clients. So offer clients for setup of जो भी है, you give them the training and take your fees because you are a Google certified workspace consultant. Fourth है Google Ads. Here also you have to get certified. You become a Google Ad specialist. इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? फर्स्ट सर्टिफिकेशन, सेकेंड है ऑफर सर्विसेज टू बिजनेस, हेल्प देम टू ऑप्टिमाइज देयर कैंपेन. गूगल में काफ़ी सारा एड कैंपेन चलता है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट पब्लिसिटी करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज, बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे बिजनेस है, बड़ा बिजनेस भी है. तो उसको कैसे सेटअप करना है? जैसे कोई आप एग्जांपल लीजिए आपका एरिया में, सेमी अर्बन एरिया, जिसका एक शॉप है, ब्यूटीफुल शॉप, एंड दे आर डूइंग लैक्स ऑफ टर्नओवर इन ए मंथ. So they want to advertise their product in social media. There you can help them how to make a ad campaign in Google, like a school hai. How to make a ad campaign in Google, in social media or in social media. So you can go to the school, consult with them so that they get more and more students get admitted in the schools, like that, colleges, schools, small business, like that. So here also this is one of the best one. Try this one, I would request you. Then next have 5, selling digital products in Google sites. This is simple. If you have a digital products or you consult with some those are producing digital products and have an agreement, you can sell them in Google sites. 6th है Google blogger. A free blogging site you open in Google which is free, and you start putting what contents there, like a Quora. You might have heard of Quora, like that. It is a free blogging site where you open an account and start putting contents or put your contribution, and that should be that the content should be in what is your interest area, or people they want to. It is not your interest area. If it is your both, it is your interest area as well as the public interest area, then only the people will come to your blogging site and they will read your contents. The more traffic you get in, you get monetized. This is the sixth one and the seventh one. The seventh one, last one is remote work with Google tools. Remote work means Google tools क्या क्या है? जैसे Google Sheets है, Google Documents है, Google Presentations है, एंड स्लाइड्स है, जो प्रेजेंटेशन वही स्लाइड्स है. सो ये आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सपोज आई नीड ए वेरी फैंटास्टिक प्रेजेंटेशन बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव टाइम, आई एम लिटिल बिट बिजी. सो फॉर ए क्लाइंट आई नीड ए गूगल प्रेजेंटेशन, सो आई विल हायर ए हु इज स्पेशलिस्ट इन गूगल टूल्स. सो यू sell your service and get monetized. So these 7 steps you have. You can find out which one is interesting to you. I would advise it is Google Ads. Become a Google Ads specialist or a Google Workspace consultant, or become a specialist in using Google tools. It is very easy. Only thing that you have to be very proactive. See, by getting a certification, it is not end. You told that I have a certificate. Now how can you register yourself? Like online platforms are there where people come and take the service, like Fiverr. You are registered yourself. You are a Google ad specialist or a Google Workspace specialist. People will come and hire you. Very simple. These are the simple 7 steps. And what are you waiting for? Please think of, list down and start one. At least you can start, download the Google Opinion Reward. That you can do. Other things you think of which one to go. Right? And other resources, like I would request here to parents. Please ask your child to go to the bank. Already there might be a saving account. Every student must be having a saving account. Go to the bank, open a RD account, recurring deposit account, and start investing. Let them go to physically to the bank. Interact with the clerks or manager if they can. Interact with them. See the people, how the business transaction is taking place. Be practical. Learn things. It is not that sitting at home only mobile playing and those things and learning from mobile. No. Learning means not only bookish. Learn practical also, physically also you learn. This is one of the best options that you can learn physically. And you are not only earning money, you are building your skills also. Right? This is all for today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Right? And hit the bell icon so that others also know and you also get to know my new videos. So wait for my next powerful video. All the love, all the power.